Hey y'all, this is my Hoover Elite Rewind that I got about a year and a half ago. I got this December 7th, 2021, December 4th. I have restored this machine up to its former glory, and now she just kind of sits around, waiting to be used. This is not its original turbo brush. This came off a Hoover anniversary, I believe. It's been sitting for a minute, that's for sure. Yeah. But it does still work. My 2006 Hoover Elite Rewind I got a year ago in April. It still works. It's just been sitting for a while, but I don't know what I can see, but my bin logo is kind of faded. If I go to like this one, it's supposed to be more of a darker red, or this one, so I might just swap the bin off of that one. She's a siren. I'm gonna see what it was. Anyway, here it is. The combo brush I believe is on the Hoover Deluxe Elite Rewind, but yeah, she's been sitting for a minute. Here's a lot of hair on the brush. Still a spin, motor's replacement, base's replacement. Brush is still its original. Still have original filters in this bad boy, I believe. I'm gonna order all new filters for all these machines, but I don't use these machines very often. I've just adapted to other machines. But anyway, enough with me babbling. Let's vacuum. Squeaky wheel. You guys still work pretty well. She's my old trusty. I just vacuumed with a Dyson, so we'll see what that thing left behind. I just got down into me in this thing, so this thing's always did clean really good. Something got caught. I like to come from over here. Oh, don't squeak. Oh well. It'll go over it. They don't suck that up. Or not long enough. That's okay. I'll vacuum it later. tripod so I don't have to carry around this phone anymore, because it gets kind of annoying. And I'm sure you guys don't like that or that. So. I've never let that iron on. I thought I would take the tools in here in a second. They do work. Pretty well. Alright. Did that work? A little bit of sand up. Oh! Oops. Well, now you guys really get to see what it cleaned up. Okay, if I didn't just break it. This just looks so cool without the bin on, honestly. A little more hair on the brush. Yeah, this is fluff. Thanks for watching.